I have to tell you, Eugene, I'm very impressed with your family. Your genealogy listed nothing but doctors and PhDs.
I was always told that both my parents were lost on an anthropological expedition in the rainforests of Zaire in Africa. I was only 7. After that, the state and the school system became my parents.
But I don't have any other friends. I have you and Connie, but I admire you, and all I do is argue with Connie.
That's not true.
See?
I want to see more. Show me.
Connie,
I'm not leaving until you show me, so you may as well just save your breath and show me.
child.
Sticks and stones.
Now let's punch the highway.
You mean hit the road?
As you wish.
Whom do I have the pleasure of addressing?
I'm John Whitaker, and this is Tom Riley.
Howdy.
Howdy. An abbreviated form of the phrase, how do you do, or in the older English, how do you fare? In answer, I fare well, thank you.
That's it? No $10 words, fancy explanations, or 2-hour speeches?
Eugene,
Yes,
I
sir.
just can't understand a word you're saying.